first thing I'm going to do is take some plywood and rip some pieces and go in the front and in the back of this cabinet, just like this. So that way I have something to attach plywood to, because I'm going to do a layer of plywood first, and I'm going to do that for two reasons. One is to actually have something for the wood to sit on, and I want to make this thicker so it actually looks like a countertop. So I'm going to take a measurement, put these pieces in. I'm just going to make these 3 inches. Done. Now I can put these all in place. I am not going to glue these pieces in. I want to make this kind of so it's temporarily permanent. I want to make sure I build it good enough so that it can be permanent, but I want to, just in case we're redoing the kitchen at some point, so if we end up doing something in the kitchen and we want to match this, I want to be able to just remove it kind of easy. So with these pieces, I am not going to glue them. I'm going to use 1-inch screws coming up from here on the inside of the cabinet. This is 1/2 inch, so these will go in here about 1/2 inch. And if I ever want to change it, I can take those screws out, and the plywood on the top will just be attached to this. That's the idea anyways. So I can go along and attach all these. Three screws a piece. If I glued these, this would absolutely destroy the cabinets if I tried taking this apart. That's what I want to avoid, just in case. Okay. To attach this plywood, I'm going to use some wood glue and some 1.25-inch construction screws. And that way, again, if I want to change this, I can, because it's not going to go into the cabinet. It's just going to go into these pieces. And I'm only going to put the glue on these pieces. If there's any bows in the plywood, these screws are going to suck it down tight to these, and then the glue will hold everything in place. Same thing over here. Okay, now we can get this square. Just make sure you put these where you put those blocks. Sink those heads right in. Triple check. One down here, and we can install the rest of the screws.